Hi, the video you're about to watch is an ongoing project in Bonny Island, and this project is presently ongoing by Evomec Global Services Limited. Evomec is a household name and is synonymous to speed, accuracy, and solid in terms of construction. The company is into engineering, civil, maintenance, electrical, etc. etc. The company is outstanding for their jobs of high quality, outstanding, the best among equal. About over 90% of the workers are really happy with their work condition. It is an important road. This road, you see the road? See how solid the road is? Look at the solidness of the road. It's being built with high quality material, because the company is not just working, but it's being supervised by NLNG. NLNG is Nigeria Liquefied Natural Gas Company. They supervise the job to make sure they give the best of best. It is an important road in the island. It connects Finima, which is the host community, workers camp, and Bonny main town. So this road is very important as far as the island is concerned. If you like the work Evomec is doing, please like this video, subscribe, and share. The Lord will bless you.